The government crackdown on illicit drugs is really a story that I think is long overdue. Even we as veterinary professionals acknowledge that we've had a misuse of veterinary drugs such as xylazine that has found its way in the wrong hands in the country. So we support the government's crackdown on illicit drugs and other substances. The only issue we have is that for sustained efforts and sustained success in this fight, the government needs to take track of the achievements and the efforts put in place by various agencies. We shouldn't have a crackdown that aims to harass veterinarians. We should have a crackdown that builds on the framework put together by the Kenya Veterinary Board and the Veterinary Medicines Directorate, so that we give vets a chance to, for example, regularize their businesses, agrovets, veterinary pharmacies, and so on. So we shouldn't aim to harass veterinary professionals, but we should aim to ensure that we bring on board as many veterinary professionals and their businesses to comply with what the law says. So in short, I think the government needs to follow the framework that already exists. We have a lot of fake vaccines on the market. We have a lot of counterfeit antibiotics on the market. I think what needs to be done is we shouldn't stop there. We should empower the agencies such as Kenya Bureau of Standards. We should empower agencies such as the Veterinary Medicines Directorate with by capacity building them to ensure that they can go after these crooks and other quacks. At the moment, the Veterinary Medicines Directorate, for example, doesn't have inspectors countrywide. So whatever is happening in the rural areas, for example, whatever drugs people are being sold to, the Veterinary Medicines Directorate does not have enough capacity. And neither does the Pharmacy and Poisons Board. Both those bodies don't have enough capacity to actually highlight these issues and bring a stop to the practice.